Every year the world needs more and more energy, but too much of it's been coming from fossil fuel sources, contributing to climate change. We need to find a way to make affordable energy available for everyone without cooking the planet. But what if there were a way we could not only do that, but actually improve our atmosphere? Well, it turns out we can, and in fact, we already have. All Power Labs is a mashup of university-trained engineers, DIY fabricators, renewable energy pioneers, and experienced field operators. For the last 7 years, we've been researching and innovating in this old but largely forgotten art of turning organic material into a usable fuel.
Gasification is a process that breaks down organic material into an energy-dense vapor that we can combust at an engine in place of gasoline.
We can turn about a kilo of biomass, or 2 pounds, into 1 kilowatt hour of electricity for as little as 10 cents. Compare that to almost 50 cents a kilowatt for off-grid diesel power.
Communities around the world want and need to develop economically, and to do that you need energy that can be done effectively the way generators work today. You need to be able to do high amperage energy for drills, for husking things, for milling, for doing spot welding, all kinds of things for which, if you want to do that with solar or wind at small scale, you will likely need a lot of battery capacity so you can build up a lot of current and do that activity. Small scale generators run off of sustainably managed biomass provides a direct way to do it.
We have projects in over 30 countries around the world, serving rural energy access, operating as schools, medical clinics, all kinds of different uses. This is a 20 kilowatt power plant in a package small enough to fit in the back of a pickup truck. If you have one of these and biomass, you can have on-demand, affordable, renewable energy whenever you want it.
Far too many efforts in the past have been ones where the idea was right but the engineering was wrong. And All Power Labs brings those together, having generations of products that are in the field where there's feedback on what's working, what's not. And in terms of providing energy to meet the most high-profile activities in communities seeking to develop, it's, okay, how do I run a spot welder? How do I run an industrial-sized freezer? How do I do the things that in the rest of the world are taken for granted as commercially productive activities? And that's what All Power Labs does.